Hi everyone, welcome. In this short tutorial, I will introduce the BICAN Basal Ganglia Epigenome Navigator and show you the core workflow for exploring Basal Ganglia epigenomics data. We will focus on three main parts of the portal: taxonomy selection, assay selection, and the genome browser. By the end of this video, you will know how to select cell types, choosing assays, and visualize the selected tracks in the genome browser. When you first open the portal at basalganglia.epigenomes.net, you will see the landing page. The page gives you a brief overview of the portal. To begin, click Enter Portal. There is also a Don't Show Again option. The main workflow starts with the Taxonomy Selection tab. This page allows you to choose the cell types you want to explore. The taxonomy is organized hierarchically from broader terms like neighborhood and class to more specific subclass and group. At the top, you can first view the legend for each assay. Each row represents a cell type in a subclass or group. The colored indicator shows which species or assay are available for that entry. To select the cell types, click the Select button next to the individual entry. You can also use the search box to quickly find a specific cell types or group. You can hover over the taxonomy names or these indicators to see more details. Once you have selected the cell types you are interested in, click Next to continue to the assay selection. You may also select the Select All button to select all of the taxonomy. The assay selection tab shows all the tracks that match to a selected taxonomy. This table lets you narrow down the result using filters such as species, subclasses, group, assay, track type, modality, and data source. For example, you can filter to show only human and mouse track, or only a specific assay such as ataxic and histone modification data. To choose a track for visualization, select the checkbox next to each track. You can also use Select All filtered to quickly select all the tracks that match the current filters. The table can be sorted by clicking on the column header. And you can also adjust how many rows are displayed at once. After selecting the tracks you want to view, click Next to open them in the genome browser. The selected track will now be loaded into the Washu epigenome browser. This is the main visualization interface. Here, you can inspect epigenome signals across genomic regions and compare tracks across cell types, assays, and species. The browser uses HG38 as the reference genome. For non-human species, the portal adds genome-aligned tracks so that comparative data can be viewed together. You can navigate the browser by dragging left or right. Zoom in or zoom out, or enter a genome name or genome coordinate in the search box. The browser also includes default annotation tracks, such as gene annotation and the AAV enhancer annotation, together with the track you selected from the portal. If you want a larger view, use the full screen button in the browser. This is especially helpful when many tracks are loaded. That is the core workflow of the BICAN Basal Ganglia Epigenome Navigator. Start from the landing page, select cell types in the taxonomy selection, choose track in assay selection, and visualize them in the virtual epigenome browser. This workflow lets user move from cell type selection to genome scale epigenome visualization in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started with the portal.